Hello and welcome to this first coding challenge. In this case, you had to write a Python program that prints the length of a specific string. And for that, we have two lines right here. We're going to use a built-in function, len, which is an abbreviation of length. This is an awesome function that we can use to find the length of a sequence in Python. For example, right here, we are defining a string and we are assigning it to the variable s. After we have that variable, we can just pass it as the argument to the length function and print the output. The length function will return a number, an integer with the length of the string. In this case, the string has 6 characters. Each one of these letters is counted as a character, and the length will also count spaces and any other characters in the string. Let's learn more about this built-in function. Right here we have the Python documentation. Specifically, we have the article on built-in functions. Functions that already come with the Python language. If I click right here where it says length, len, we will go to that specific part of the documentation where we can learn more about the length function. What does the function do? Well, it returns the length, the number of items of an object. The argument may be a sequence, such as a string, byte, tuple, list, or range, or a collection, such as a dictionary set or frozen set. So this function is very powerful, and you can use it in Python to get the number of items of an object. Let's go back to our code and save the file and run the code to see how it works. Right here we see the value 6, which is the number of characters in the string Python. Now let's test this with an empty string. If we don't have any characters, what will be the length of the string? Well, it will be 0, right here. If we only have one character, like this, we will get the value 1, because the length of the string is just one character. Spaces also count as characters, so if we write a space right here, we will also see the value 1. They are counted just like a letter, a number, or any other symbol. Let's test this with the string hello. Right now we have 5 characters, and that is exactly what we see in the output. And if we test this with an even longer string, we have this as the output, 7. 7 characters, and that is correct. 3, 6, and 7. Awesome! Now you know how to solve this coding challenge. The length function will be extremely helpful to solve the next coding challenges during the course. So it's great to have this hands-on introduction to the built-in function. When you're ready, let's start working on the next coding challenge so you can continue practicing your Python skills.